In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to streamline your customer management process, this guide will walk you through each step, making it easy and efficient to get your customer information organized in one centralized place. Let's start by navigating to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Sales. This is your main hub for managing all sales-related activities, ranging from invoices to payments, and of course, your customer information. Once you're in the Sales section, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Customers tab. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can see a list of all the customers you've previously added. Think of it as your virtual Rolodex, where each entry contains essential details and interaction history. Now, to add a new customer to this list, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll find a button labeled New Customer. Clicking this button opens up a new form dedicated to entering the details of your new customer. It's important to fill out this form with as much information as you have. Start with their name and contact details. Phone number and email address are crucial for communication. If your customer has a physical address you need to note, enter that information as well. This will come in handy for any shipping or billing needs. QuickBooks also provides space for you to add notes and attachments regarding your customer. This is particularly useful for recording any special instructions or keeping a digital copy of agreements. Additionally, you have the option to specify their preferred payment methods and add any relevant tax details. This ensures that when transactions are made, they're processed smoothly according to the customer's preferences. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary details, the final step is to click the Save button located at the bottom right of the form. This action effectively adds the new customer to your list, instantly updating your QuickBooks records. And just like that, you've successfully added a new customer, keeping your operations organized and professional. Thank you for following along with this QuickBooks Online tutorial. Remember, regularly updating your customer information helps maintain accurate records, which is essential for efficient business management. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on mastering QuickBooks. Happy bookkeeping!